Let's learn Arabic with Wordy. Assalamu alaikum. This is Usman Beg with Wordy. Today we will be learning asmaa istifhaam, question words in Arabic. So let's get started. First, there are some words in Arabic which, when they come at the beginning of a sentence, they convert an assertive sentence into an interrogative sentence. For example, hal and a. Second one is ma or mada. It means what. Next is man, means who. Next is kam, means how much or how many. It is also used as become. Ayyun means which one for masculine nouns, and ayyatun means which one for feminine nouns. Next is anna, means how, and then aina means where, mata means when, liman means whose, lima or limada means why. Now we will look into the examples of question words that we have just learned. First, we will look into the words which convert an assertive sentence into an interrogative sentence. There were two words, a and hal. So the example is ahada qalam. Is this a pen? Hal anta ja'i'? Are you hungry? Next is ma hadihi. What is this? Wa madha fid dukan. And what is in the shop? Man anta. Who are you? Ayyu rajulin jalisun khalfak. Which person is sitting behind you? Aina akhuka as-saghir? Where is your little brother? Mata dhahabta? When did you go? Liman hadhihi as-sayyara? Whose car is this? Kaifa halukum? How are you? Kam waladan lak? How many sons do you have? Kam bintan hadiratun fil madrasa? How many girls are present in the school? Bikam hadhihi as-sayyara? How much for this car? Lima jalis? Why are you sitting? Alright, that's it for today. We will be seeing you in the next video.